In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Zoho Cliq. This is a handy feature that allows you to add links directly into your messages, making it easier for your colleagues to access relevant information or documents quickly. So let's dive in and explore how you can seamlessly integrate hyperlinks into your Zoho Cliq conversations. The process of hyperlinking in Zoho Cliq is incredibly straightforward, but it's always helpful to walk through each step for clarity. To start, you'll want to navigate to the Message Composer, which is the area where you typically type your messages to send to others. Here, you can draft your message as usual. Once you know what text you want to convert into a hyperlink, go ahead and highlight that specific portion. Now that you've selected your desired text, you'll want to look for the Insert Link icon. It's usually represented by a small chain link image. Clicking on this icon is your next step. However, if you prefer to use keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl and K on a Windows computer or CMD and K if you're using a Mac. These shortcuts can speed up the process, especially if you're frequently embedding links in your messages. Once you've clicked the icon or used the shortcut, a pop-up window will appear. This is where you'll be entering the URL, that is, the web address you want to link to your selected text. Carefully type or paste the URL into the designated field. It's important to double-check that the URL is correct and complete, including the HTTPS/ or HTTP/ portion, ensuring that the link will work properly when someone clicks on it. After inserting the URL, you'll usually see an option to confirm or apply the link. Go ahead and click that button. Once you've done that, you should see your selected text appear as a hyperlink in your Message Composer. This means that when you send your message, anyone who clicks on the hyperlinked text will be instantly directed to the URL you've embedded. And that's all there is to it. Hyperlinking is a simple yet powerful tool in Zoho Cliq that can greatly enhance the way you share information with your team. It not only makes your messages cleaner and more professional, but also ensures that valuable resources are just a click away for your colleagues. Remember, using hyperlinks can save time and improve the flow of communication, especially in a fast-paced work environment. So, there you have it. A quick and efficient way to add hyperlinks to your messages in Zoho Cliq. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to enhancing your communication and collaboration through the power of hyperlinks. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you.